Alright, I'm trying to replace the lines to my bathroom sink. Because as you can see, one of them burst and the other one is probably going to soon. So I want to replace them. The problem is that situation. They're on there too tight for me to unscrew with my hands, and that space is so tiny I can't get any of my tools up in there and onto the nut. So does anybody have any suggestions? Or am I gonna have to rip the entire sink off of the wall just to change those hoses? Let me know. Please and thank you.